Hey guys! Welcome to Disney's Yacht Club Resort. So I have a little bit of work to do right now, but I want to show you around. So I am going to hand the camera to my husband and he's going to show you around. Don't worry, he's very funny. He's part-time comedian, so you'll have a great time.
So I've been walking around a little bit to show the place around since, as you saw, I was asked/told to show everything around the place. Now let's get to the room and see what's going on in there. So 1085 is where all the action's happening. Let's get in there. Opening the door. First impression. It's a nice room. Mahogany, cherry wood. Probably not mahogany, but nice dark accents. Very nice. Coffee station. Essential for mornings. So is that. It is vacation after all. We got a refrigerator. Gotta have it. Closet space to keep your unmentionables and things, clothes and whatnot. Bathroom. Look at that guy. There's a shower. Sure, everybody knows how that works. Nice lighting. Looks like they've updated this room. Editing some cool videos. Whee! Yes. Look at the master in action.
Look who this is.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. It's like watching an artist at work. So,
You are, I'm telling you, you have a missed career opportunity as a news anchor and host.
good to have something to fall back on.
Look, they're asking me about you.
Awesome. Now, before we were politely interrupted, there's one bed, there's another bed. Those you can figure out are for sleeping. So, one criticism is that they've updated these rooms, but they haven't made them very Disney-like. See that little guy up there in the top left? That's the only Mickey in the room besides
Really?
this one.
I found another one.
And Yvette found some more, I guess. One good thing to point
On the
out
curtain.
is that the curtains, it's a little tough to see,
Here's
but
Mickey.
they're all themed. Look at that. There's Lioness Regus, that's Lion King.
And here's Mickey.
Yvette found Mickey. It's
Not just
Mousimus Jovialis.
But check this out. It's Pluto, my favorite guy.
Oh yeah. Houndus Loyalus. That's
So
perfect.
cute.
Love it.
The curtain is awesome.
Yeah, the curtain's got all kinds of characters
Props for the curtain.
in some semi-Latin form. So there's a couch. That's for sitting and stuff. And looks like it's also a pull-out bed in case we have guests. If anyone's in the area and feels like crashing, feel free. And here is where we've got our puppy Jasper's crate because we brought him with us. However, right now he's at daycare getting groomed and whatnot and having a good time with other doggies. There's the TV area. Great room. Not too Disney, but it'll do the trick. Still a nice hotel. And yeah, that's it. I guess we'll go look at the view real quick outside just to get that out of the way. So we come out and looks like we're right near the boardwalk. It's pretty cool. Got our table and chairs for sitting, talking, contemplating. There's the boardwalk. Looks like it's a little bit overcast. So that's the whole grand tour. And now we're back in the room. Might be able to talk Little Miss hard worker over there into Going to the pool?
Yay! I'll break for pool. Break!
Break for pool.
I think this is the most amazing pool on Disney property, like on any Disney resort. This one takes the cake. So we are now walking towards the lobby. We're gonna get something to eat. We were gonna go to the pool, but I don't know if we can right now. I know they close it down when there's lightning, and it's pouring out right now.
Kind of hard to see with the glare of the window, but yeah. Maybe you heard that lightning or thunder. So let's check out the hotel. We got sidetracked with the whole rain thing, but
Hopefully that'll stop soon and we'll be able to show you the pool. But in the meantime, let's go get something to eat and we'll show you the lobby here. It's great. I love this resort. It's one of my faves.
Very pretty.
And this is a pet-friendly resort. So you can see there's a puppy walking that way. This is so cute. Look at that. That is so adorable. So there's a little cafeteria right on this side, and then here there's a store. Puppy stuff. I need to get these for Jasper. He would love them. I think I'm gonna get this. Not right now, but I love that they have some Halloween stuff. I'm gonna have to look inside, but that looks good.
It's festive. You know how I know that? That's the name of it. By Rosemary Bagley. And it can be all yours. Hand-painted original for the low, low price of $2,400.
They should definitely hire you to do their PR. So you leave the marketplace. Our room is right down there, by the way. And then you come to this area. This is the lobby right over there. And let's check out the restaurants that they have here. Are you gonna sail the seas, Captain?
Yeah. There's us. There's a storm out. Everybody hold on.
we would all be in serious trouble.
Hurry, come back. We made it.
Yay!
We almost didn't make it.
You are our hero. So this is from the second floor of the yacht club.
These are the plans for our new yacht.
Sweetie, when you become CEO of Disney, can you make sure your office is here at the yacht club?
Sure.
Great. I'll come visit all the time. I don't think I have mentioned this, but the yacht club and the beach club are connected. Like you could walk through a hallway to the beach club. They're like, they share the same pool and a lot of the same amenities like restaurants too and things like that. So we actually like the marketplace at the beach club a little better than this one. Their food selection, well, for me is a little better because I really like the flatbread. So we're gonna walk to the beach club right now to get a flatbread.
Let's go.
So here's the Ale and Compass Lounge. That is like a bar, like a bar lounge.
I have fruit soup.
Yeah, I've never been here actually. Never been to that one. Oh,
Last time
okay.
we were here, it wasn't open.
Oh, so I've never been there. Looks nice. Oh yeah, it is a restaurant too. There's a lounge and there's a restaurant. Never been here. We'll have to go sometime. So from here, we will go to the beach club to go grab a quick snack or a quick bite to eat. Seems like the rain is dying down a little bit. Just a bit. And this is the awesome pool that it is closed right now because as you can hear, it is thundering. It looks like it's already nighttime and really it's only like 1 p.m. Such a great day. So to get to the beach club, you do have to walk outside, but I mean, it is covered, so you won't get wet if it's raining. And here is a gym where I should be going, but I'm not. Here is the famous Beaches and Cream. They have amazing ice cream. And we have now entered the beach club. Officially, I did show this resort in a previous vlog. I will link that down below in case you're interested in checking out this area. Okay, so we are back in the room with our flatbread pizzas. He got pepperoni, I got a ham one. And this is our view, not too shabby. It is the boardwalk, and thankfully the rain seems to be stopping a little bit. It's clearing the day, maybe a bit. And yeah, we are just gonna eat our flatbreads. As I said, if you're more into flatbreads, you can go to the beach club here at the yacht club. They have more like paninis.
Panini.
Yeah.
But if you like pizza and beer, the beach club marketplace. All day.
Every day.
So of course, on the day that we're leaving, the weather's perfect, but hey, you win some, you lose some. So we'll still take some video of the outside to give a proper look at what's going on out here. Go check out the pool too. Still pretty early in the morning, about 8:30ish. We can put our feet in the sand at least. Say good morning to the ducks. But of course, watch out for these. I'll point out that this is where I would be all day with good weather. That's a pretty cool water slide. It's attached to what looks like a broken pirate ship. Kind of hard to see, but you can kind of tell the pirate flag right there. So you get in up there, you climb to the top, and then you go through this tube right here. And it goes over here and it does a bunch of little loops, and then it dumps you in the pool over there. As observed right there. You had a long night. Just rested off in the lazy river. This is a pretty cool feature too, because they've got like a small sandbar that goes into the water, so you can feel even more at the beach here at the beach club, attached to the yacht club. And of course, if you need to warm up and you're feeling chilly on this hot summer's day, you can always choose the jacuzzi. But in this one, you gotta be 18 years or older.
So we are leaving the beach club. We are heading to the parks now, but it is our last day here, so we won't be able to come back to our room. We missed the pool this time.
Hopefully there'll be a next time.
There will be a next time. You went in the pool the last time we were here. We actually stayed at the beach club though.
Yeah, went through the slide.
I will link that down below in case you're interested in checking out the pool. By the way, did I say we're leaving the beach club? Or did I say yacht club? I meant the yacht club. I think I said the beach club. But as I said, they're connected, so it's like the yacht club is right here, the beach club is right over here, so sometimes it's a little confusing. But this time we stayed at the yacht club, as we showed you. But yeah, last time we stayed at the beach club, so I'm gonna link that below. Check the beach club out. They're kind of very similar. I like them both. The beach club though, they have suites and 1 bedroom. I don't know if 2-bedroom villas, I think so. So if you have a bigger family and you want a bigger room, then that would probably be your best choice. But let me show you around the boardwalk how pretty it is today. Look at that, gorgeous day out. And you can walk around the boardwalk, that's always nice. And here's another puppy, because as I said, this is a pet-friendly hotel. That is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will see you on the next one. In the meantime, take care, be good. Ciao.
See you real soon.